Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing a niche that balances passion and profit. Pick topics with clear audience demand and monetization paths. Once chosen, register a short domain and set up hosting or create a Blogger account to skip hosting. Make sure to install a lightweight theme and essential plugins, SEO, caching, and backups so your site loads fast and ranks. Start with a content plan, 10 pillar posts, and a publishing schedule. This initial action gets you live and visible quickly. Once your site is live, focus on creating high-value content that answers real questions. Write 10 pillar posts with keywords, clear structure, and practical takeaways. Then optimize each page, compelling title tags, meta descriptions, H1/H2 hierarchy, internal links, and schema to help search engines. Make sure to build an email list from day one and promote posts via social channels and targeted outreach. While you publish, measure engagement and refine formats. This continuous loop increases traffic and authority. Now convert traffic into revenue. Add display ads, test high-quality affiliate products, and create a digital product or services page to diversify income. Monitor KPIs, traffic, CTR, RPM, conversion rate, and reinvest earnings into content and promotion. If growth stalls, diagnose, check site speed, mobile UX, keyword relevance, and backlink profile. If conversions are low, refine CTAs, landing pages, and offer alignment. A quick troubleshooting step: run a site speed and UX audit, implement fixes, and retest to recover performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.